Arthur, it's Google Wednesday. The topic is cloud functions, and I'm calling my shot. It's Monday's chef wearing a Google name tag. Do I even need you today?
90%. That's the mirror strategy working. But this franchise has 3 surprises, and one of them made me gasp.
Arthur gasped. Okay, run the 90% first, fast.
Same religion as Lambda. You upload code, Google runs it when a doorbell rings, and between rings, it costs 0. Scale to 0, scale to 1,000, automatically.
Doorbells being triggers. Let me guess Google's. A file lands in a cloud storage bucket.
Ding. A web request hits your URL. Ding. A schedule fires at midnight. Ding. Google routes events through a system called Eventarc, but the idea is identical.
So far, my prediction holds. Surprise number 1?
The name. Cloud Functions got rebuilt and renamed. It's officially Cloud Run Functions now. Same product family as Cloud Run. Google's container service. One engine underneath.
Google renamed something? Shocking. That's not gasp-worthy.
Surprise 2, then. The free tier. Lambda gives 1 million free requests a month. Google gives 2 million. Plus, a pile of free compute seconds on top.
Double the free doorbells. My hobby project's bill still 0, now with room to grow.
And surprise 3. The gasp. Monday I told you every chef works 15 minutes max, then Lambda hangs up. Google's chef, on an HTTP request, can stay a full hour.
An hour? 60 minutes?
60 minutes. Same franchise, different owner. And this owner lets the chef cater the whole dinner party. Long report generation, big file processing. Jobs Lambda hangs up on, this chef finishes.
Wait, is that everywhere? Every trigger?
Honest print. Only HTTP triggered functions get the hour. Event-driven ones, the bucket dings, the schedule dings, cap at 9 minutes, still respectable.
1 hour for web requests, 9 minutes for doorbells, and the meters, Monday had 2.
Google has the same shape with different dials, 40 cents per million requests, double Lambda's doorbell fee, plus compute time, billed as CPU seconds and memory seconds separately.
Pricier doorbell, double the free ones, it all comes out in the wash, doesn't it?
For small apps, both round to $0. That's the real headline of Serverless Week. The entry price of the cloud has fallen to nothing.
Speaking of things that cost nothing, subscribing. If the mirror strategy just saved you 15 minutes of your life, that's the whole channel design. 1 idea a day, and Wednesday is always Google Day.
The prediction game only works if you've seen the originals.
Okay, when do I pick Google's chef over Amazon's? Be honest, they're twins.
They are twins. You pick by neighborhood. Episode 3's rule. Your data lives in BigQuery and cloud storage. Google's chef is already in that kitchen. Your company lives on AWS. Monday's chef.
The cloud you're already in wins, and the hour-long jobs?
That's the one real tiebreaker at this level. If your bursty work runs long, 20, 40 minutes, Google's HTTP functions do what Lambda simply won't.
And if I need even more than serverless functions?
Then you climb 1 step to Cloud Run proper, whole containers, same serverless billing. That's a future episode. Today, just know the latter exists.
Functions for snacks, containers for meals, got it.
The mirror strategy in 1 line. Learn the idea once on Monday, spend Wednesday collecting the differences. Your brain does half the work.
Which means I land this one easily. Cloud functions, fine. Cloud Run functions is Google's serverless, upload code, triggers ring, chefs cook, idle costs 0. The number's 40 cents per million requests, but 2 million free every month, plus free compute seconds, small apps run for nothing. The gasp, HTTP functions can run a full hour. 4 times Lambda's limit, while event triggers get 9 minutes. Pick your chef by which cloud you already live in.
Perfectly mirrored. Tomorrow, DevOps Thursday. Your app is running. But how do you know it's healthy? Monitoring and alerts. The smoke detectors of the cloud.
Machines that watch the machines that fix the machines. I need a nap. See you tomorrow.